Welcome to the podcast on data visualization tools and techniques. The podcast is part of the data analytics series. The current podcast covers the principles for achieving aesthetical data visualization. The prime focus is on transforming complex data into insightful, accessible, and engaging visuals that communicate key messages clearly. The current podcast is created by Jitendra Tomar, an academician and experienced training consultant with a passion for knowledge sharing and skill development. With years of expertise in education, corporate training, and professional development, he intends to bring insightful discussions and valuable perspectives to the learners. This podcast is designed at JT Design Studio, a creative hub committed to producing high-quality, engaging, educational content that resonates with learners and professionals alike. The podcast aims to cover the principles for achieving aesthetically pleasing data visualization and making it more effective. Creating beautiful and effective data visualizations is essential for making complex information clear, engaging, and actionable. By applying key principles like visual hierarchy, color optimization, interactivity, and storytelling, we can transform raw data into meaningful insights. A well-designed visualization not only enhances understanding but also ensures accurate interpretation, making data more impactful. Let us cover these principles one by one. Understand your audience and purpose. Effective data visualization begins with knowing your audience and the goal of your presentation. Tailor the complexity, interactivity, and style based on their expertise, whether they are data analysts, executives, or general users. Define whether your visualization aims to inform, persuade, or explore trends, ensuring clarity and engagement. A visualization designed for a technical audience may include more granular details, while one for executives should be high-level and concise. The second principle emphasizes on choosing the right type of visualization. Selecting the appropriate chart type ensures that data is presented clearly and meaningfully. Use line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, pie or donut charts for proportions, scatter plots for relationships, and maps for geographical data. Choosing the wrong visualization can lead to misinterpretation, reducing the effectiveness of the insights. A well-matched visualization enhances comprehension, making it easier for users to extract relevant insights without confusion. The third listed principle is leveraging visual hierarchy. Guide the viewer's focus by using size, color, contrast, and position strategically. The most critical data points should stand out, while less relevant details should remain subtle. Avoid giving equal emphasis to all elements, as it can overwhelm users and dilute key insights. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy ensures that users can quickly identify the most important trends, comparisons, and takeaways, making the visualization intuitive and impactful. The fourth underlying principle is to optimize use of color. A well-thought-out color palette enhances clarity and comprehension. Limit colors to 5 to 6 per chart to maintain visual harmony, using distinct colors for categorical data and gradients for continuous data. Thoughtful use of color improves engagement while preventing confusion or visual clutter. Additionally, leveraging consistent color coding across multiple charts within a report or dashboard strengthens visual coherence and makes comparisons easier. The fifth principle emphasizes on the use white space intentionally. White space is not wasted space, it enhances readability by reducing clutter and directing focus. Proper spacing between elements allows viewer to process information smoothly, improving overall comprehension and the aesthetic appeal of the visualization. A well-balanced design with adequate margins and spacing between components ensures that key information stands out and is not lost in a visually overwhelming layout. The next principle is to simplify labels and legends. Concise and descriptive labels help users quickly understand the data without unnecessary complexity. Keep legends close to the chart to minimize eye movement, ensuring a smooth reading experience. Avoid excessive grid lines and tick marks, as they can create distractions rather than aiding interpretation. A clear and minimalist approach to labels and legends enhances the legibility and efficiency of the visualization while maintaining a polished look. The next principle is to incorporate interactive elements. Interactivity enhances user engagement by allowing them to explore data more dynamically. Features like hover over tooltips, filters, zoom options, and animations provide deeper insights and make complex relationships easier to understand. However, interactivity should be purposeful and intuitive rather than overwhelming. A well-designed interactive visualization encourages exploration while ensuring that users can still grasp key insights without excessive effort. The eighth principle is to ensure accessibility. Make visualizations inclusive by using colorblind-friendly palettes, such as those from Color Brewer, and ensuring sufficient contrast for readability. Provide annotations or textual descriptions to support users who may struggle with interpreting purely visual elements. Additionally, using clear fonts, scalable graphics, and alternative text for images ensures that the visualization remains accessible across different devices and user needs, making it universally usable. The ninth principle is to integrate data storytelling. A strong narrative turns data into compelling insights by guiding viewer through key trends and findings. Use annotations, text, and visual emphasis to highlight important data points, ensuring that critical insights are not overlooked. A combination of storytelling and visualization makes data more relatable and actionable, bridging the gap between raw numbers and real-world applications. A well-structured data story keeps the audience engaged and helps them connect with the message more effectively. And the 10th and the last principle in the list suggests the use professional tools for data visualization. Leverage powerful data visualization tools to create polished, interactive, and insightful graphics. Tools like Tableau and Power BI excel in dashboards and reports, while Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly, that uses Python libraries, are great for custom visualizations. For web-based, interactive charts, D3.js provides unmatched flexibility. Choosing the right tool not only improves the efficiency and accuracy of data visualization but also allows for greater customization and scalability, ensuring that the visualizations meet specific analytical needs. Mastering the listed principles of beautiful data visualization ensures that insights are not only visually appealing but also clear, accessible, and impactful. By thoughtfully applying color, hierarchy, interactivity, and storytelling, we can create visuals that effectively communicate data-driven messages. When done right, data visualization becomes a powerful tool for decision-making and meaningful engagement. This brings us to the end of this podcast on data visualization tools and techniques covering the importance of data aesthetics to transform complex data into insightful, accessible, and engaging visuals that communicate key messages clearly. The podcast is part of the Data Analytics series. Thanks for joining, and always remember, learning is an art and is a lifelong scholastic activity. Hope to be with you in some other session, some other time. For more academic content on various subjects, remain connected.